is so gorgeous, y'all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and become part of the family. So today we're going to be working with hair from WeQueen Hair. They're kind enough to send me over their virgin Yaki human hair wig, and I have her in 20 inches. So yeah guys, go ahead and just watch the install.
They have me some kinky curly hair in human. Alright guys, so yeah, it's so soft. It's so cool. So soft. It's so soft. Oh, so soft. Alright guys, so yeah. So she has your 2 combs, 1, 3, adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go put her on and I'll be back. Okay? I'll be back. Hi guys, so I didn't use any of the combs because she comes with adjustable straps, so she is snug. Listen, I love WeQueen's headband wigs. I just love it. Look how full this is. This is so full. Look at it. She's so gorgeous and she's human. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I mean, I've reviewed quite a few of these, but they were all synthetic, so I was like super excited to get this human hair one. And yeah, I know that she's worth something. You know what I mean? Yeah, she is worth something. I love her. So there's a particular style that I wanted to do with her. I wanted to do a half up, half down with some 1 curls, but I ended up cutting my hair yesterday. So my hair is short, like super short. So I probably may not be able to do the half up, half down the way I wanted to do it, but I'm still gonna do it though. I'm still gonna do it, but it's not gonna be, you know, with my hair covering, hiding the headband and stuff, because that's what I wanted to do. But I'm not able to do that right now, so I'm gonna improvise because I still need my half up, half down. Okay. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna part my hair, not really a half, like a quarter, because I kind of want this to fall here. So I'm just gonna part some out and I'm gonna put that in a something like a ponytail kind of thing. Yeah, about this much, and I'm gonna be using this elastic band. Can't find my hair ties right now, so I'm improvising. If I feel like I want to put some more up, I'll probably just go ahead and do that. But for now, I am doing her like so. Okay, not crazy, but I think this is the only style I'm gonna be putting her in today. Yeah, that's what, yeah, this was what I wanted all along. So I'm gonna curl her. I'm gonna see if I can start here. So I'm gonna be putting in some 1 curls in her. So I'm just gonna do most of my hair and then I'll be back to show you guys how I do it. But isn't she gorgeous though? Isn't she gorgeous? She's so gorgeous. I'm feeling myself. I'm always feeling myself. Every time I get a new wig, I'm feeling myself. But this is gonna be my favorite. I change favorites so regularly, guys. So regularly. But yeah, I'll be back, y'all. See y'all later.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be, well, as I said before, I did half of my hair, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do the 1 curls. I just basically hold the 1 and then I just wrap the hair around it. I didn't leave it on the wand for a very long time, so maybe if you want tighter curls, you'd probably twist the hair while you're putting it on the curler, and I kind of hold it a little so it sets into place. And I'm thinking next time I'll just use some pins and just pin them up so I'll cool that way, so I'll have more defined curls. This hair is awesome. It is gorgeous. It is so nice. So you guys can just watch me curl. As I said, using a one curler is very easy. My one curler did come with some gloves, but I can't, honestly, I know I'm supposed to use them, but sometimes I can't. So as I said, you hold the hair as soon as you finish, and you kind of hold it for a couple seconds and you let it go. The one curler that I'm using, I got it from, I think, Amazon, and this is the bed head one curler, and I think I have it in 3/4 to 1 inches. I'm not sure, but I'll try to leave the link in the description box. Okay, I'm gonna see if it's on Amazon, and I'm gonna leave the link to where I got it. So yeah guys, I just wanted to put some bouncy sexy curls in this wig, and I think I achieved that, and it curled so nicely. So on the bottom, I think maybe I did too big of a section, so I'm just going in and just curling some more. Nothing crazy, and yeah. That's just all I'm doing, y'all, and I'll see you once I am finished. Hi guys, so this is the finished look, and it came out so gorgeous. As I said before, the hair is 20 inches, and it is the WeQueen grab and go headband wig. It's the Virgin Yaki human hair, and I have it in 20 inches. The hair is super nice. It is full. It feels so gorgeous, and it did not shed, and I love that. It held the curl, I think, decently, not as much as I would want to, but I could change my curling technique. But it is awesome. Look at the ends, they're full. Everything about this hair is awesome. So if you want a nice headband, you know, Yaki hair, go ahead and grab this one because it is gorgeous. The link will be in the description box, guys. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually